might be my favorite side of the shoe. I showed y'all the full breakdown to every design of these. So it's only right that I do the GOAT, Paul Rodriguez, man. What the pause. Hit the B-roll. On the soundtrack. I think I lied in the beginning. I think this is my favorite side of the shoe. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. And before we get into anything, I finally secured some reimagined bread falls. So the full review of the men's will come out soon, but I did do the PS one, so give me some credit. But in this video today, I'm gonna break down every design of the What the P Rod or the What the Paul SB Dunk, where all the designs came from his life and from his past releases with Nike to put together this fire shoe. I didn't know much about Paul Rodriguez, believe it or not. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been doing my research, which inspired me to do this video, man. Believe it or not, I did not know he won gold medals in the X Games. I know, it's kind of wild, but I know a lot of y'all didn't know that too. So, yeah, let's get it, man. We actually gonna start with the other shoe. Yes, sir. So this is the right shoe of the What the Paul Nike SB Dunks. Designs everywhere, guys. But I think overall with this shoe, what he was going for was that that Nike Paul Rodriguez Zoom Air Elite. I know it's not a popular one, but if you look at that shoe with the Mexico colors, you kind of get like that earthy tone look that you get from this sneaker, man. It's so many different materials on this sneaker. Like, let's start with the sock liner. I don't even know what you call that. You might call that couch material. I don't know, but it is dope. The back has like a pride kind of flag look in the back. Paul Rodriguez name in there, signature. Then you got like two different earth tones on the back, white and brown. Crazy. We all know this is not the first time you've seen this tag, but this tag is so dope, man. Just looks like a World Series ring or NBA championship ring. As I told y'all earlier, I did not know he won gold medals in the X Game. Crazy here, man. Comes with the yellow shoelaces, but I do believe I had like a lime green also. But this one here, man, it's just so much to talk about. A little bit right here, you got the cement threes look, Jordan look, but Paul Rodriguez used this on a couple of his early releases with Nike. As you can see, it's only blending in a little bit, but he did something with Clark Kent. It was like a high top sneaker. It also sported that cement and like a few others. He used this a lot. If you go closer in, you see like the Jordan 13 hits right there. Look like the Flint Gray look right there. Crazy, man. He borrowed not only from his sneakers, but also a lot of like classic sneakers. Here's the right side. You also see that cement print as I was telling y'all. Talking about another classic sneaker. Let's get to the back. You have that Atmos elephant look. You see it. The Atmos elephant look all the way around in there. Telling you, man, these sneakers are fire. Now get into this dope swoosh right here. I remember he did like a PlayStation sneaker, and it looks like the whole sneaker in one swoosh here. Dope swoosh, guys. I really like this swoosh. As you go into the inside, the swoosh is now like a wool, dark honey mustard yellow. Yo, man, this is one of the best SBs I've ever seen, man. The bottom, the Mexico flag, of course, like I told y'all, he played for Mexico. He should be from Mexico also, but it's there, man. Like, super dope. The way they, like, just just put this together is dope, man. The whole Mexico flag on the bottom. I told you I had more shoelaces. You get red, you get yellow, look like ketchup and mustard. And here go these lime green ones I was telling y'all about. But staying with like that red and green, white Mexico look as you see it at the bottom. One of his most popular SBs, which is a high, and highs are usually not popular, sports this whole colorway, the whole Mexico colorway. So of course, it's not only did he play for Mexico, this inspired this part of the shoe. And on the right side, I showed y'all the sock liner was blue in this material. On the left side, you get red in this material. This material is dope. I want this material used more. Big fat tongue reads Paul Rodriguez right there on the top. Dope look. Yeah, man, and that's the left side. Yes, sir, man. The What the Paul Nike SBs. Let me know in the comment section below where y'all have this on your SB list. If you haven't, I did a part 1 and a part 2 of my favorite SBs in my collection. And this one didn't even go up yet. So it might be a part 3. Because I didn't give these no justice, man. I only wore these once, believe it or not, man. A little loud, but dope sneaker, man. Just a quick breakdown of the What the Paul Rodriguez. I know it's an old one, but it's a good one, man. Same way I did it with the What the Dunk clout joints. I had to do it with these, and I might do it with the Street Hawkers too, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich. Jones on the soundtrack.